Hi, good day. I am Budoy and I am here for a quick review on the BM800 condenser microphone. Hi, what's up? Good day mga kaibigan. This time I'll have a quick review on the BM800 condenser microphone. So I bought this microphone a couple of months ago and I am using this microphone in every recording that I have. I mainly use this mic for recording vocals and acoustic instruments for my humble covers. This is my go-to mic since I don't have that much of an option because I don't have any other microphones aside from this. I bought this BM800 condenser microphone from Lazada for a very affordable price. If you are interested in this microphone, you can check Lazada for great bundles and deals. So this mic comes in a box, a generic packaging box. Included in the box, of course, is the BM800 condenser microphone, a pop filter, and a shock mount. Also included is the XLR to 3.5mm jack cable so that you can plug it in directly to the computer. And of course, the manual. Unfortunately, I lost the manual. Well, anyway, the manual doesn't say anything much about the microphone, so let us just forget the manual. So here is my take on the BM800 condenser microphone. For the price, it is really affordable, especially for beginners with low budget. It is definitely an upgrade from your usual headset microphone. The build quality is okay, and I don't really have any issues about the build quality considering its price. Now, if you are a serious musician or an artist, you might consider saving up for a much more expensive and reliable brands of microphones. Because according to the reviews that I've heard and seen, there is something lacking about the BM800 microphones compared to other known brands out there in the market. Overall, the product still is very good for the money, especially for those who can't afford to buy expensive one.
Hello, this is my voice recorded on my Android phone. Hello, this is my voice using the BM800 condenser microphone.
So that's it. If you find this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave comment in the comment section below. Thank you.